Good morning, friends. Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Donna. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you are looking for colorful but grungy or princess eye looks, just a little bit of everything as long as it's colorful, and general makeup chatter, you are in the right place. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so excited that you found me, and I am just hoping that you'll want to stick around in the end. With that being said, I am here to tell you, y'all, I got a code. I got an affiliate code. Did I get an affiliate code? I think I did. I think I have a code. So I got approached by Mellow Cosmetics on Instagram, and I love Mellow Cosmetics. I first learned about them through Boxy Charm. I started receiving like just little tidbits from them. I think I had a brow pencil from them. I've had a couple of eyeliners from them, a lip pencil from them, and generally I love their brand. And I got approached by them on Instagram and asked if I would be interested in being an ambassador. So I was like, I don't even know what that means, so you're gonna have to fill me in. So what it means is that I get a discount on my products, which is a phenomenal discount. But what it also means is I have a discount for you. So if I can get my phone to work, which it's kind of been a terror for me, I'm gonna get that code for you. And actually my phone's just not working, so I'm gonna put the code right here on the screen. And what I do know it means is that I am a brand ambassador for Mellow Cosmetics, and I can't be more ecstatic. For you, I have a code, and it does earn me a little bit of commission on that, but you guys, like, I have less than 1,000 subscribers, so I'm not even monetized yet. So I was like, what? Yes, please sign me up. And you know, Mellow Cosmetics has some really great things, so I thought I would show you what I got. And this I did purchase with my own money, but of course I did get a code for which I got a discount on it. But this is my packing slip, and this is what the order looks like. When you open it up, it does say Mellow Cosmetics, and I did get some really great stuff here. So we're going to look at it. The great thing about this company is that this makeup is not only beautiful and beautifully packaged, but it's also vegan and cruelty-free, and it's an indie brand that is just really spectacular. And I love all the products that I have gotten to use from this company in the past, and I'm going to do a video trying on these products for you at a different time. Like right now it's, you know, 10 o'clock at night, so I'm not going to do it right now because I've got this craziness going on in my eyes right now. But I will film a video utilizing these products too. I think I got basically almost a full face here. So the first thing I'm going to dig into is this guy here. I do think that this is, what is this? I think that this is an actual bundle that I got from them. This is the Mellow Muse bundle, and it's $52. I love this cute little bag. It would make a really cute, like, just toss into your purse. I do think I got almost a full face here. The only thing I don't have is like foundations and stuff like that from them. So this is an eyeshadow quad by them. Look at this beautiful packaging. So this is the eyeshadow quad in Ray. And this was in, again, the Mellow Muse bundle. Beautiful. Ooh, so this is the little quad. Again, just beautiful packaging. And oh my gosh, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of a Charlotte Tilbury quad. How crazy is that? Look at how beautiful that is. So excited to try these shades. Let's swatch them. Oh God, those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. That bronze is gorgeous. Forgive my old lady hands. Look at those. That is really pretty. Definitely more on the neutral tones, which I am, you know, more of a fan of color, let's be honest, but those are gorgeous. I love those so much. That copper also, or bronzy, whatever that is, so pretty. I cannot wait to try that. So we have Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta. Those are the shades. So I think it's Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta. Those are beautiful. I like too that it's just a little tiny quad. They do have like little like 8-pan or 12-pan eyeshadow palettes too, but they were all out of stock, so I was kind of bummed out about that. But also I love a good quad. So this is a glitter chrome eyeshadow, which I thought we would try out too. It also came in that Muse bundle, and this one is in the shade Champagne, and oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, that is gorgeous. So that is it right there. Oh, so subtle, but also so gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to come on camera and play with these with you guys. A matte liquid lip paint, and this is in the shade Sydney, and it looked to be right up my alley, honestly. Oh yes, look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. And then we also have a lip pencil, and this one is in the shade Ava. So this is the lip pencil. Let's look at these. Let's swatch them real quick. Oh, that is gorgeous. That definitely looks like a liquid lipstick, right up my alley. So that is the lip liner and the lipstick. Those are beautiful. I love that they seemed creamy. This seems so creamy. This is sharpenable, so it's a pencil that you do have to sharpen. I love me a good creamy lip liner, and that seems like a good creamy lip liner. Those are beautiful. I'm so stoked for these. I forgot this. This is part of the bundle too. So the bundle actually comes with 5 items. This is a blush in the shade Pink. It's just called Pink, and this is it. It kind of actually reminds me of a more mauve-y than pink. Oh, that feels so soft. Ooh, it's kind of luminous too. I think it does have a little bit of luminosity to it. It is quite a bit pink, which pink isn't necessarily my favorite tone of blush, but I think with the luminosity of it, it is a matte blush though. We'll have to see how it performs on my face, because now that I'm like blending it out, it doesn't look as luminous as it did when I first applied it, but yet it does. I don't know, there's some kind of magic in that for sure. It's a really pretty pink though. I don't think it's as baby doll pink as most pink blushes are. I think I could maybe get along with that. This was $52 for the bundle of 5 items. That product I did pay full price for. And then I also picked up a couple of, oh, that one's busted. I also picked up a couple of baked eyeshadows. So I'm kind of bummed out. This one is busted. They do come all the way from Australia, and these were wrapped really well. So I do think that I will be able to repress that guy, but it's leaking everywhere, so I'm not gonna pull it out. But its shade is this right here. That is a really pretty like stony silver color. That is in the shade Metallica. It's now all over my hand, so I'm gonna wipe that off real quick. That's a bummer. That's okay. I got a second one too. I just wanted some other colors other than what was in those, that quad, because we know I like color, right? So the other one is this one here, and this one is in the shade Olive, I think. Yeah, this one's in the shade Olive, and this is what it looks like. It's very pretty, like green tone. So let's swatch that guy. Ooh, that is what that looks like. That is so pretty. And you know, this will actually look really good with that quad. I think that'll be a perfect shade to go with that quad. And then the last item that I picked up was this guy. It is the Stardust Glow palette, and it is a highlighting palette. And you had to have known I was picking this up, and this is a lot bigger than it looked like on the website. This guy is a $38 face palette, and they have 2 shade ways. So they have light, medium, and then medium deep. And this is huge. This is shocking to me. Look at how big those are. Holy cow, this is huge. So we have Luna and Star, and then Delta and Dawn, which is nice. So we have a blush and a bronzer, and then a couple different highlights here. I am going to swatch these for you. So this is Luna. Ooh, that is gorgeous. And this is Star. Wow, those are like beaming. And then we have Delta, which is a blush, and it's a nice coral blush, super pigmented for sure. And then we have Dawn, which is a nice bronzer. That's a super deep bronzer. But I think it will probably swatch out or blend out really well. So that is the highlighting palette that I picked up also. So with that being said, these are the items that I got from Mellow Cosmetics, and I am really just super excited to be an ambassador for their brand. This is not PR. Again, I did purchase these items, so it's not me just saying I like their items because I'm getting them free. I'm definitely not getting them free. I do hope that you guys, should you want to, will take advantage of the code that I put down below. It will get you, I think it's 15% off, but I'll definitely put all that right information down in the description box for you. I just wanted to come on here and show you what I got from Mellow Cosmetics, share with you that I will be here doing a full face of Mellow Cosmetics, kind of almost a full face of Mellow Cosmetics at some point in time, very, very soon in your timeline. Be watching for that because I'm just super excited to be a creator out here on the platform, not even monetized by YouTube, being given offers from some cosmetic companies out there, and I couldn't be happier to be an ambassador for Mellow Cosmetics. They are a company that I have loved since I first tried them from Boxy Charm many, many years ago. I haven't even gotten Boxy Charm in a couple years now. So thank you guys so much for watching me today. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you don't think that this is me like gloating or like, truth be told, y'all, I'm just super surprised because again, not even YouTube monetized yet. God knows I don't know what I'm doing out here. So with that said, I'm just shocked and surprised and super happy also to be bringing you a discount to get more bang for your buck, right? Who can't use a discount? And I think 15% is a pretty decent discount. So that's all I have for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed it or me enough that you're considering subscribing to my channel before you go. I would love to welcome you into my YouTube family here. I hope that you like this video enough that you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. I hope that if you are going to subscribe, that you're not forgetting to hit that notification bell. It's going to notify you every single time I upload a video, and I would hate for you to miss anything. And I would hate for me to show up in your feed. I'm just so thankful that you're here, so thankful that you found me, and I can't wait to see you again. So until then, stay safe out there, cookies. I hope that you stay healthy. I hope that you're loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, bye everyone.